Right, guys, the problem with this, look here, and this will also help you with how to debug your program. I'm going to put a breakpoint here in the gutter just by clicking there. Have you done this before? Click in the gutter, it gives you this red breakpoint. Gutter is this part next to the line numbers here. Right, so this is called the gutter. Now what's going to happen is it will run until it gets to here, then the program will stop and jump to my code. So let's do that, run it. And let's see. Let's put in a number of 65. Guess. So it comes here. I press F7 to step through my code. F7. And now it's processed that line. So you can see what's happened. If you're watching value from the spin edit, the value 65 gets loaded into the variable, I guess. Now I can check, is I guess equal to my num? No. Is I guess 65 greater than my num? No. So you see that it's processing. Is I guess less than my num? Yes. So it does this line of code. I can go back to my program and go back to the program and it says, no, that is too low, 65. Let's make it actually correct now. What was it, 74? And this is where you'll see the problem. F7, I guess is 74. Is I guess equal to my num? Yes. It will display, you guessed, okay, that's correct. Now what should happen is the program should stop there because it's finished, but it doesn't. It checks the next line. And it checks the next line. So that's inefficient coding. Even though it's correct, it's not the best way to do it. So that's what I want to show you now. How to improve that is to use else. Else. E-L-S-E. So let me show you. Right, so if this is equal to that, then that's correct. Okay, now we're going to add else. Okay. Else. So if that's not correct, only if this is incorrect will it go to else. And then here I can put the next check. And before else, this is a rule, you never have a semicolon before else. Okay, so there's no semicolon there because there's an else. Now it's going to check, is that equal to that? If it's greater than that, okay. If it is greater than that, it will do this. If it's not, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to add another else. Right? And then here, if that's not correct, it will check that. Okay? And then it will display that one. And then eventually here we've got a semicolon again. Now let's see how this is different. Let's run it and see if it works, in fact. Let's start again with 65. Watching? Yes. F7. So we've got 65. Is that true? No. So it goes to the else. Is this greater than that? No. It goes there and displays that, right? Now let's check that I wasn't lying to you. Let's go greater than. Let's go 89. Now it should only use two steps because this is going to be, okay, this is going to be false again. This is going to be true. And it shouldn't do this part. And you'll see it skips it. So that was only two processes that it did as opposed to three the first time. And if we get the actual number, 74, F7, now this one is going to be true. It will display this, and then it will ignore all the else's. So it immediately jumps to the end. And that's a more efficient way to program this. So the else only gets processed if the previous if is false. The previous if is false, it jumps to the else. If this one's false, it jumps to the else. If this is false, it would jump to the next else. But in this case, that's all there is. And then if you get back to the program, you'll see it is not correct. And that way we're saving steps, saving processing time, creating good code.